Hi guys, how are you? Today I need a little bit of your technical help. Recently I have organized 2 online meetings with the help of Google Meet. While recording, screen recording my laptop, I started facing a lot of glitches over here in the video, as well as lots of noise in the audio recording from my side. Other side audio recording is fine, but the my side audio recording is too much noise. Almost nothing is recorded over here, and you can see lots of pauses and glitches. Same thing also happened in another interview. You can see here lot of glitches over there, and I will also go let you hear some noise, so something like that. So it's a high pitch noise over there. So I don't know, I guess this happened only with Google Meet while recording the screen with the help of Camtasia Studio. So if you know any resolution of this kind of issue, then let me know. I am actually searching for another kind of meeting software or website rather than Google Meet for the next interviews, because I used to use Zoom, but they have only 45-minute limitation to talk on online. So I go with Google Meet, but Google Meet have this kind of issue. So please help me guys. Thank you.